Click on the link below to get price. The 118-inch large chicken coop is designed for those who wish to expand their poultry keeping experience. This wooden chicken house, fitted with an attached run, offers a spacious environment for hens and other poultry. Measuring at an impressive 118 inches, it accommodates multiple birds comfortably, providing them with both shelter and space to roam. Crafted primarily from wood, the coop presents a natural appearance that can easily blend into various yard aesthetics. The large design allows for a roomy interior where hens can nest, roost, and explore. The coop features multiple compartments, ensuring that the needs of different chickens can be met. A well-ventilated structure is essential for the health of poultry, and this coop emphasizes airflow through strategically placed openings. These vents not only provide comfort but also help in reducing humidity levels inside the coop. One of the standout aspects of this chicken coop is its integrated run. This provides a secure outdoor space for the birds to enjoy some fresh air and sunlight while remaining safe from potential predators. The run is enclosed with sturdy wire mesh, which adds an extra layer of security, allowing owners peace of mind as their chickens roam. Additionally, the coop is elevated above ground, which can help to deter pests and reduce the risk of dampness accumulating inside. Setting up the coop involves some assembly, but the design generally incorporates clear instructions that guide users through the process. It is recommended to use tools commonly found in most households, making the assembly manageable for those who may not have prior experience in building structures. Once assembled, the coop's size and layout facilitate easy access for feeding and cleaning, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy living environment for the chickens. In conclusion, the 118-inch large chicken coop offers a thoughtfully designed space for poultry enthusiasts. With its wooden construction, ample space, and integrated run, it aims to provide both comfort and security for chickens. This coop may be an effective solution for those looking to keep several birds while ensuring they have the space and protection they need to thrive.